this trail. That's the problem. Did you guys see the movie 127 Hours? No. It's longer, so things are a little more green here. This can be kind of slippery getting up here. Once it's in the leggings. God, this seemed like a good idea. Put one foot at a time. Yeah. Awesome. That's good. Yeah, and I usually just sit down right there, hanging my feet off. Good job, guys. What about the camera? As long as the camera survives. Watch your knees here.
Be careful with these rocks, he's right.
That's a great shot too.
Okay. I recommend you take this high route there just so you have a little more margin of error.
The high route?
Yeah, right where you're standing, right up there.
Oh.
Rather than,
But then you don't go down that way, right?
no, we'll end up coming back down here. If you want me to keep cameras on this side, it's okay.
Nice, you were good there.
That one before, but no, that's not it. The name of it is Skull Arch. So if you can kind of picture the jawbone's actually at the top and you're inside the skull looking at the eye sockets. In the aftermath, I've seen when there's a big 40-foot pool of water and this sand has been excavated a good 4 or 5 feet deep. So I know it comes off with a lot of force, but it probably only lasts, 45 minutes or so when we get a good thunderstorm through here. Seen it when it's just trickling and kind of run into the back. But this is my holy grail for this hike, is I want to see that when it's just. Did you do real estate right downtown Cleveland? What's the service gauge? Follow your friend coming down here, just keep your feet under it. Yep. Give me a walk.
It's a leap. There, hold on to him.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and then you can put a foot there. Yeah, exactly.
Are you there?
It's quite slippery.
Yeah. there's not a lot of foothold options, so you're relying on your upper body and kind of shimmying your lower body up through it.
I do that.
Yeah, awesome. This one that's a little loose. Yeah, it's the only way, the only option. You want a last meal here? What they were caused by, and he indicated that was there. Are you guys up for another? The hardest part really is just getting into it. And you have to endure a little bit of pain on your knees, at least the way I do it. I'm using like arm bars and leg bars to get through here where I'm just wedging parts of my body. So once you get up in here, the trick is to just wedge your upper body, move lower body, wedge lower body, move upper.